What PPE do you need for safe plumbing soldering? When it comes to plumbing soldering, safety should always be your top priority. You want to ensure that you are well protected from potential hazards. Let's break down the essential personal protective equipment you need for safe soldering practices. First, you will want to wear safety glasses or a face shield. These will protect your eyes from sparks, hot solder spatter, and irritating fumes. Avoid using contact lenses during soldering, as fumes can cause severe irritation to your eyes. Next, heat-resistant gloves are a must. Look for gloves specifically designed for soldering. They should protect your hands from burns while allowing you to maintain dexterity. Leather gloves are a popular choice as they provide a good barrier against sparks and hot metal. Long-sleeved, fire-resistant clothing is also important. Opt for cotton shirts and pants that cover your arms and legs. This clothing will help prevent burns from any splashes of molten solder or accidental contact with flames. In addition to these, respiratory protection is vital. If you are working in a confined or poorly ventilated area, use an approved respirator or mask. This will help you avoid inhaling any flux fumes and smoke that can irritate or harm your respiratory system. Don't forget about your feet. Safety-toed leather shoes or boots are essential to protect your feet from falling hot materials or sparks. Make sure they fit well and are comfortable for long periods of standing. While you are soldering, it is also wise to work in a well-ventilated area. If possible, use a small fan to disperse any fumes. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby just in case, and consider using a heat shield or burn blanket to protect surrounding surfaces from fire risks. Always have a proper stand for your soldering iron to prevent accidental fires. After you finish soldering, wash your hands thoroughly to remove any flux or lead residues. It is best to use lead-free solder to avoid contaminating your water supply. By using the right personal protective equipment and following these safety practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of burns, injuries, respiratory issues, and fire hazards associated with plumbing soldering tasks. Stay safe and happy soldering.